Hello and welcome to this video where I will show you how to install QuPath from scratch, and also a second version of QuPath that I will compile to be able to launch scripts like Stardist. So first of all, we will need to grab QuPath. So let me hop on to Google Chrome, and we have just to search for QuPath, and here if you land on the home page of the software, you can download your version here. So this is the easy part, just download. You will see here a Windows file installer. Okay, and when the download is done, you should see this file. You can just double click and install it as you would do like with any other program. So let's just do this. So I'm using version 0.2.3. Next. Here, just a small trick. You can see that the default installation path is under your own folder. If you plan to share your installation with other users, I would change this and put this somewhere else where it's accessible. Let's, for instance, build a folder under the C drive just for QuPath. Like this. Okay. Next. And install. And we're done. So we can close all those windows here, and we can now see we have two icons, QuPath with the GUI, the GUI, and QuPath, which is just for the command line version. So the first time you launch QuPath, you will have a dialog box, I guess, asking you for options. Yep, here. So here the default is generally right. So here on this small machine, 8 GB is only what I have available. So let's leave it like this. And also, if you are using other languages and input devices with a foreign language or something like this, I would advise to keep everything with English US, just for compatibility reasons. It's always best. Just press apply and you're ready to go. So see you in another video to learn how to use QuPath.